This is DSE 2018 Math Paper 2, Question 1. For these questions, you just need to do simplification. So first of all, we need to change the base to be the same. So 8, you can change to 2 to the power 3. So the numerator becomes 2n plus 1. And the denominator, 4, you can change it into 2 to the power 2. So the denominator becomes this one. Now try to remove the bracket. 2 to the power 3 times 2n plus 1. And the denominator becomes 2 to the power 2 times 3n plus 1. So that's what we can get. For the numerator, 6n plus 3, and the denominator also 6n plus 2. Now, we can see that both the numerator and denominator are having the same base, so we try to keep the base the same and subtract the power. Subtract it. So after simplify the power, we can get 2 to the power 6n minus 6n has been cancelled. 3 minus 2 becomes 1. So 2 to the power 1 is the answer, which is 2. Okay, therefore the answer should be B.